My name is Anmol Fatma. I am a foundation level student at Rehan School, Afraad campus, Islamabad. So today, my TEDx views. Let's start it. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today, I want to talk about the powerful documentary Inside a School for Suicide Bombers by Sharmeen. This this documentary explores a very serious issue: how some you people influenced by extremist groups. It helps us understand the importance of education, critical thinking, and protecting children from harmful. The documentary reminds us that children deserve opportunities to learn, grow, and also shows the emotional impact that values and confidence have on lives and community. One of the biggest lessons from this documentary is the education should inspire hope, compassion, and respect for other. Schools should be places where students develop develop knowledge, kinds, and the confidence to take positive choice. Be watching documentaries like this, we can better understand the challenging that exist in the world and express the world of peace, the and human rights. Awareness is the first step toward creating a safer, safer, and more caring society. I everything to watch both the English and Urdu variations that an open mind reflect on the important message and think about how students can become a powerful tool for peace. Thank you for learning. Uh, So this is my TEDx review. Hope you like it. Meet you in my next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.